So guys, I can't come to Georgia without, well, I live in Georgia, but I can't come to the west side of Georgia with so much history here and not do one of the famous recipes that Georgia has to offer, and that is peach cobbler. Now I'm gonna do mine with a twist today because you guys know I like things different. However, I cannot do it because I don't have an oven inside, but I do have a Coleman stove, Coleman oven. But first, the gnats and bugs aren't bad out here, but for Christmas, I received the cutest tabletop, and I'm about to blow myself up. Ain't that something? It's not gonna work out. The cutest tabletop, tiki. And I'm afraid to light it because it's so much tiki fluid all over my hands. So isn't that the cutest? You just set it right in there. And hopefully I'll set myself on fire. Probably not supposed to have a fire out here, but they don't leave me no choice. I'm gonna put it down here though. Don't forget it's there. It's right here. So these are my ingredients. I'm gonna use the cinnamon and sugar muffin mix to make the peach cobbler, okay? Because I'm not a peachy type of person. I don't like peaches like this. However, let's see what we can create. So I'm gonna use this by Martha White, butter, peaches, Sprite soda, and we're gonna top this with some nuts as well. Let me go get my cutting board for butter. And let me get the pan I'll be using. And I follow YouTube University. As my son says, TikTok Tech and YouTube University. And my good friend over there at my cart runneth over. So I know this is the door. There's a latch. And I know I gotta open it somehow. Right here. And I know that this folds down. Okay. And I know that these fold up the same way they went into the other side. And the latches to hold it in place. This latches to hold that in place. And dang, it's put together. Just like that. I'm gonna bring you guys around here so you can see. So the cobbler that I'm gonna make, I think I'm gonna put it on the middle rack. I already don't like baking. Something like that. You see it? bam, voila, there it is. So because it's a nice day, I'm gonna go ahead and get my ingredients. I'm gonna bring them out here. I'm gonna mix up all my ingredients outside. Anyway, stay tuned. And just like with any oven, I'm preheating this oven, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it and let it preheat, because it's not gonna take that long for me to throw these ingredients in here. So I'm going to take the other half of that stick of butter. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and chop off some pieces. This is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and dump this in here. And because it's a small batch, I don't think I'm using all the ingredients for everything. It is spread all over the to cover up the butter. So we're going to add more butter. Okay. We're gonna mind and stay in our own lane, sweetie. Alright, so this right here to the side. And we're gonna add more butter. I think that's enough butter. Alright, so and I think I'm gonna add about a half a can of Sprite. not gonna add, this is what it looks like. It's bubbly. I'm not gonna add the other toppings yet, but I'm going to go ahead and slide this in there. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do with the peach juice, the remaining peach juice. Alright, so I have my cinnamon and sugar mixture here. That's going to be the topping. Alright, so the remaining of the peach juice. Oh, had a peach in there. So I'll put some caramel in there, just a little bit. Put this caramel to the side. And a splash of whiskey. It's good. It's missing something. That caramel is good in there. How about we do this? Because I can't give y'all the figure until it's right. Until it's right. That's better. That's a lot better. I still can't give y'all the finger yet though. But I don't know how long this is gonna take to finish baking. What I'm gonna do is I keep my eye on it and try to give you guys an estimate of what time it'll be finished. So I've added more Sprite and more caramel. I got it, y'all. I got it. I got it. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's it right there. My cup. I just want to add a little Sprite to it. Because drinking it straight, drinking whiskey straight makes me want to have a cigar. Right? So the heat indicator right now is at 350. I'm going to show you guys. So the heat indicator is at 350. I have this foil paper on here. I should have did a better job of wrapping it, but I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna let you guys see what I see, and I'm gonna open it for you guys, okay? It's rising, and like I said, I should have put that rack on the bottom, but you know, hey, it is what it is. But this is what it's looking like right now. So I had to put you guys another stand because my little hand stand thingy was not working. It kept trying to fall over. So right here I'm trying to crush some of these pans, pecans, whatever you guys call them. And I have a mallet, but I don't feel like unpacking the truck. I'm gonna check this again. Yeah, it's getting there. No, that's really bothering me. But ain't nothing I can do about it. I can't. It's getting there, so I'm just gonna leave it in there for a little while longer. I shouldn't keep opening this thing. And I'm gonna sit here and watch some more YouTube. Alright, so guys, when I'm camping and I'm out doing RV life or whatever, it's very difficult for me to stay tuned and stay caught up to you guys because I'm creating my own content. However, when I'm not creating my own content, I am glued to YouTube, whether it's on my other phone, whether it's on my iPad or my TV's like a home base. I am supporting you guys. I support those who don't even support me or who don't support, I would say, RV lifers. I noticed that there is a divide. There is a divide between tent campers, hikers, van lifers, and RVers. Everyone has their own community cliques. I get that part. And I even noticed that if you don't have a certain amount of subscribers, that people aren't going to support you. Me, I seek for those who don't have a lot of subscribers because I love to see growth. I am happy for everyone, and I know the world can't always be happy, happy, joy, joy, and I wish it was because it would make it a better place. But at the end of the day, if Val can support, Val's going to support. There is one channel that I was in love with. I was so in love with this channel. But the channel person was unappreciative to what some subscribers gave to them. If you were not happy with what the subscriber gifted you with, you should have never posted it. You said it wasn't, this is not my brand of choice. And I don't even think that person even said, but thank you. I wouldn't even, they basically said that was the bottom of the barrel. I was like, wow. At that moment, I stopped watching that channel. And every time it would pop up for me, I would X out of it. I'm the type of person like this. I will not hit a dislike button because I don't like your material. Because it only takes one finger to scroll up or click off. And that's what I'll do. I know for myself that I have a troll that's been trying to sabotage my algorithm, but it's okay. You're making me work harder. And I'm stronger. With that being said, love everybody, because hate and dislike is a cancer. And that cancer, baby, is hard. It is very hard to overcome and to get rid of. Which means you'll kill yourself with stress and worrying about somebody else's business because of hate. Be good and stay tuned. Let's get ready to eat this peach cobbler. Smell it. And I want to open it. Ready for the topping. It's hot. And I can't let this thing in too much longer because the bottom is getting burnt. I'm gonna let you guys see this because the bottom is getting burnt, but I don't care because I'm only gonna eat the top. I'm gonna back in there. I'm let you guys see that. You guys see it? Put this in here for about 15 more minutes. Alright. This would have went a little faster if I was paying attention to the temperature, to the knob on the portable gas stove. But anyway, here's this peach cobbler. Again, you can't be in a city that has so much rich history and not partake in the food. And my goal here was not to come out and eat at any of the restaurants here, even though there were a couple of, in which I will come back to, but there are a couple of soul food restaurants I wanted to try. So anyway, definitely will come back because there's so much more I need to explore here. Now, what is some peach cobbler without some ice cream? I don't know. I think Grandma might be proud of me. Now, even though she does hers the old-fashioned way too, she has done it with cake batter. The nuts and the batter. Alright, so let me grab some foil paper to cover that. I don't know if you guys had it. I tried some out last night, but it is the Publix Deluxe Vanilla Ice Cream, and it was good last night for what I had it on. And because y'all know I'm extra. Yeah, extra. But let's see. Let's give it a taste. Let's see if you guys get the finger. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get everything in one bite. Peaches, the dough, caramel. Y'all don't even like peach cobbler. And as these young kids say, this bussin'. Oh, you know what I missed? But I forgot to put vanilla flavoring in there. But you know what? It doesn't need it. I tell you what, maybe I didn't like peach cobbler before because everyone else made it. In my version, and I'm not saying because I made it, in my version, might be the best dessert I ever made. I can't tell my family though, because every time we have something, I bring the ice. I ain't putting in all that work. Nah, I take that back. I do make the baked beans, because my mom loves my baked beans because they are very meaty and hearty, and a few other little things. But if I can get away with bringing ice, cups, and plates, I would. Okay, we gotta go for 2 miles tonight. Mommy gotta lose what she just put on. And we about to get ready to go in a minute. I don't know, I mean, for y'all see me except for eat like that. This was good. I'm gonna go get changed so I can take my dog on a walk. So we gotta walk for a long time today. It's not even dark. But yeah, I gotta go let him do his thing.